Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning today. Today is our last day of this trip here in Darak, district orakzai. And I just wake up in the morning and offer my prayer, Alhamdulillah. Now, after a few hours, we will start packing our stuff and we'll leave for our home again. So different birds, they're chanting. They are having beautiful sounds, and these trees, all you're looking, are full of birds. And this was our homes, which were destroyed, fortunately. So this is all about for this very small, tiny village, which is surrounded by hills from both sides, even from all sides. You see, so inshallah, I'm planning to come again after some time. And on the top of this huge, tall, big mountain, there is a village, people living there, and also people living there. You see the houses. So ravens, and lots of birds. Inshallah, see you again in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.